how do you instill that sense of purpose in your entire organization so they know they're not just coming in to do a job or to do a work, but it is tied to a really higher purpose that has a huge impact at a global level with your firm?
When we set up the division, we set a very clear tagline, if you like, which is protecting revenues and reputations. And then we explained what that meant in terms of whether you're talking to a government client about protecting excise revenues, or you're talking to a brand who's invested in brand equity about how we protect their brand against counterfeit and illicit trade. And that's from that protecting revenues and reputations, we've kind of hung all of the other objectives that we have for the division. And we communicate the same mantra repeatedly through our formal communications and also through our informal communication.